All right, people, welcome to another episode of Household Journeys. So today's journey, the light in my fridge went out. So not to worry, it's a pretty simple fix. So I have a pretty basic fridge, and if you have a pretty basic fridge, what you need is you need one of these appliance type light bulbs. So it's 40 watts, and you got to be sure that it can be used for refrigerators. So right here, I got this at Home Depot. It says it's for refrigerators. The one that I have in my refrigerator, I should say the one that burnt out, was an incandescent light bulb. This one's an LED. So on the back, it says that if it's used 3 hours per day, it'll last over 13 years. On top of that, it also says that it costs about 60 cents per year to run this light bulb. So a good way to save yourself some money. And no surprise, it's $5, but over the long run, you won't have to replace these as often. So let's go ahead and replace the bulb from my fridge. So my bulb is right here, and it even tells me that it's rated for 40 watts. I'm just going to go ahead and screw this. Oh. Now with the light bulb like this, it's not a normal size light bulb. It doesn't say on here, but these are A15, meaning that they are a little bit smaller. So before I put this light bulb on, I'm actually going to go ahead and put on some latex gloves, because you don't want your oils from your skin getting on these light bulbs, because it could have some kind of adverse effects to it. So better safe than sorry. All right, so as you can see, old bulb, new bulb, pretty much about the same size. So I'm going to go ahead and take my new bulb and screw that in. Voila, we have light. All right, so there you guys go. Hopefully you guys found this video informational. If the light in your fridge ever goes out, just be sure to get yourself an A15 for refrigerators, and you're all set. So thanks for watching. This has been Household Journeys. See you guys later.